Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to log into RHB online banking account. To log into your RHB online bank account, you can either use the RHB mobile banking app or you can visit the official website of RHB. I'm going to use the official website here. For that, you can go to any preferred web browser on your device. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now, once you're on the website, go to the search bar and type in rhbgroup.com. Then press enter and you will be directed to the official website of RHB. Now here on the top right section of this page, you can see the option of login. Click on login. Now you need to click on the first option here, RHB online banking. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the login page. Now on the left side here, you can see the designated username box. You need to enter your username here. And if you don't remember username or password, you can click on this option and then follow through. Once you are done with your username, you need to click on login. Once you click on login, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your secure word. So if you are sure the secure word is right, then click on the right option. Now you need to enter your password. Make sure you enter your password correctly. And if you can't remember your password, you can click on the forgot password option right here and then follow through to reset the password. Once you are done, you need to click on the login and that's it. You will be logged into your RHB online banking account. So this is how we can log into RHB online banking account. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos and thank you for watching.